Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling parts and creating a simple bench layout. Mount the Bluetooth module and amp board on a non-conductive base so wiring stays tidy. Make sure grounds will be common. Connect the regulator to your 12V source and test output with a multimeter before attaching modules. Once done, pre-tin wires and label L/R audio lines. Secure a small protoboard or screw terminals for audio and power connections so you can iterate safely and avoid rework later. Now you wire power and audio with attention to noise and polarity. Tie module ground to amp ground, then route plus 12V through a 1A fuse to the regulator and amp. This prevents damage. Solder L/R outputs to the amp input, keeping audio and power traces separate to reduce hum. Once connected, add decoupling. Place a 100 microfarad electrolytic and a 0.1 microfarad ceramic close to the amp supply pins. Power up briefly to check idle current and Bluetooth. Finish by securing components in a ventilated case and mounting the heatsink so it gets airflow. Make sure controls are accessible. Pair your phone and play audio at medium volume, then increase slowly while listening for clipping or hum. If you hear noise, shut down and check grounding first. Tie chassis to signal ground or use a star ground. Once done, verify thermal stability after 10-15 minutes. If Bluetooth disconnects, check antenna placement and module power, filtering for voltage dips under load.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.